Hi everyone, it's Joanne. Welcome back to my channel. Just showing you quickly how I made these cute little hot cocoa packages. I think they're great co-worker gift ideas, maybe teachers, friends, anybody really. I mean, they're really cute. So let's hop right into it. All right, so what I'm going to use is this craft smart paper. It was a hot buy from Michael's. It's the sheets are 12 by 12. And let's go through and find which paper I want to use. Let's just start with this one with the bulbs. Okay, like I said, it's 12 by 12. And what I need is to make it shorter than the bags that I'm using. And these self-sealing bags are 5/16 by 7 1/4 or 138 millimeters by 184 millimeters. And I got them at the dollar store, so that's pretty good. This paper is only single-sided, and what I'm going to do is, where this is directional paper, I'm going to want to have my paper facing up. I won't want it this way, because if I cut it down here, then the paper, the direction will be going the wrong way. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to cut it to 5 1/4. My paper, every time I buy paper from Michael's, it tends to have a little crease up top, so it's really hard to measure it. I could go the other way, but is anyone else like me? I always start cutting from the bottom here instead of the top. I don't know why, but that seems to be my way. Okay, so we cut it to 5 1/4, and what we'll want to do is we're going to want to score at 6 and score at 3. Now keep in mind, you don't need the scoreboard, and you don't need any of this cutting. You can cut it to the length that you want, measuring it 5 1/4 by 12. And all you really have to do is put it in half. Let's turn it this way. Half. And then the one side, you just need to make that half. Okay, so we have our paper, so we're going to fold it up this way. All right, so all we're going to do here is we're going to take our package of hot chocolate mix, and I'm just going to stick it. Let's level it out a little bit, just makes it a little easier. What I did was put just a piece of tape. You can use whatever you wish. The tape that I have is pretty clear, so you can still read the directions on the back. So I'm just going to put it over to this side, not quite flush and not quite on the bottom, just so that it folds up a little easier. Okay, then I'm going to take my marshmallows. I chose this little bag. I got the bigger bag at probably Sobeys or at the grocery store, and I just put them in individual baggies. And I just cover the bottom portion of it, and I did put tape on the back. I just used this double-sided tape here and peeled it off. And I also used, we're going to use these Hershey Kisses. And what I did was just put little glue dots on the back. One's going to go there. The other is going to go there. And your candy cane goes like so. Sorry. So what you want is you want the longer side to be on top, and you want the opening to be on the bottom. Okay, so the tape part is on the back. So all we're going to do is take this paper and slide it in. Now don't go too fast, because you might rip the sides. I have this pretty close in sizing, but you can you can change it up and make it whatever you want. You can also make the paper double-sided. This paper is only single-sided. So again, just go nice and slow. And then once you get it there, it's really, really easy to slide in. So like that. Okay, then you just flip it over. You can put a stamp, you can put a decoration of any kind in the back. It'd be great with anything. You can put the to and from in the back, and you could stamp it with, you know, any stamps that you have or what have you. I'm just making this quick little easy one just to show you how easy it is. Like so. That off my hand. And voila. Easy peasy. Just like that. You can even put something here. You can stamp it Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays. This paper from the dollar store, these bags, I really don't care for them. I don't find they stick very well. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put tape on it just to reinforce it. As you can tell, that came off pretty easy. So there we go. So again, you can put to and from on the back side or even on the outside, and you can put anything here you want, but I just like the paper, how simple it is. I really like it this way. So let me know what you think.